Ready to turn your apartment into a revenue-generating asset or find its perfect new owner with Zillow? Let's dive in. First, head over to Zillow.com. You will see options like buy, rent, sell, home loans. Click on either rent if you're listing for rent, or sell if you're listing for sale. If you clicked rent, you'll be directed to a page to list a rental. Enter your apartment's address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check that the address is accurate, as this helps potential renters find your property. If you click sell, you'll be directed to a page to list on Zillow. Enter your apartment's address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check that the address is accurate, as this helps potential buyers find your property. Next, fill out all the details about your apartment. This includes the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, rent price or selling price, pet policies, and any other amenities. Be as detailed as possible to attract the right tenants or buyers. Now it's time to upload high-quality photos of your apartment. Good lighting and clear images are key. Showcase your apartment's best features. Consider including pictures of common areas and building amenities if allowed. Before publishing, review your listing carefully. Check for any errors in the description, pricing, or contact information. Once you're satisfied, hit that publish button. Congratulations, your apartment is now listed on Zillow. Get ready to start receiving inquiries and finding the perfect tenant or buyer for your space. Good luck.